What's up, guys? So I'm trying a meat patty right now. It's basically a vegan burger, but like it's supposed to taste like actual meat. I'm gonna try it. Here are the ingredients right here. But I'm gonna try this and see if it actually tastes like meat. The way you make this is, I'm not gonna do it right now because I already did it. I would get like a spoon or something, get some water. Like this. And just put a little bit at a time, and then like until you make like a patty. Yeah, so basically that's what I did. So I'm using coconut oil too. You know, it kind of smells like beef jerky for some reason. Okay, so this is the meat burger. It actually looks like a hamburger. I got some ketchup. We're gonna see how it tastes. First, it's okay. It's alright. One thing I can note about it is it doesn't taste like plant matter. I would like to note that it would need seasoning. Yeah, salt and pepper. So next time I'm just gonna put salt and pepper in there. Hope you guys liked the video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.